Gwendolyn's doing her baby Pilates. She gets completely lifted up off the ground. She likes to do this all day long. And she likes to scream sometimes while she does it. Look at that. Look at that girl. Where are you going, girl? Where are you going? Bouncing on your head. Wendy. Look at her bounce. This girl loves to do this.